Where did asteroids come from? The first asteroid was discovered by Giuseppe Piazzi, an Italian priest and astronomer in 1801, while making a star map and named it Ceres. It has also been classified as a dwarf planet and accounts for a quarter of all the mass of all the known asteroids in the main belt. If all the asteroids were combined into a ball, they would be smaller than the Earth's moon. The word asteroid means star-shaped or star-like. That's because during its first discovery, asteroids resembled distant stars when viewed through a telescope. Asteroids are leftover bits and pieces from the formation of our solar system 4.6 billion years ago that didn't form into a planet. Some are too small and didn't have enough mass, and many collided and shattered into even smaller pieces because of Jupiter's gravity. More than 150 asteroids have a moon or even moons, and in 2013, an asteroid named Chariklo was discovered to have a set of rings. Most are found in the asteroid belt and have an irregular shape because they are too small and don't have enough gravitational pull to become a sphere. There are three main classes of asteroids. C-type or carbonaceous asteroids are the most common and are grayish in color, consisting of clay and stony silicate rocks. They can be found on the asteroid belt's outer regions. S-type or silicaceous asteroids are greenish or reddish in color, made up of silicate materials and nickel iron, and are found in the inner belt. M-type or metallic asteroids are made up of nickel iron and are reddish in color. They can be found in the middle region of the belt. In 2001, NASA's Near Shoemaker spacecraft was the first to land on an asteroid. Japan's Hayabusa was the first to land and take off from an asteroid in 2005 and returned samples to Earth in 2010.
Asteroid belt consists of objects other than asteroids too. As the name suggests, many people believe that the belt is crowded with asteroids. However, this is not the case. The asteroid belt is so vast that the objects are widely spread out. In fact, various spacecraft have managed to easily travel through the belt without collision. Number 4. Astronomers used to believe that the objects within the asteroid belt were the residue of a planet smaller than Earth's moon that had exploded. However, this theory is now accepted to be untrue, and it is thought the asteroids were never part of a planet. Number 5. An asteroid might have killed the dinosaurs. The fossil record for dinosaurs and other creatures of their era showed that they rapidly disappeared around 65 million or 66 million years ago. According to National Geographic, there are two hypotheses for this event: an asteroid or comet hitting the Earth, or a huge volcano eruption. Number 6. Ceres, being a dwarf planet, is the most massive object in the asteroid belt. Despite there being hundreds of thousands of asteroids, almost half of the whole mass is composed of only 4 objects: Pallas, Hygiea, Vesta and the dwarf planet named Ceres. Ceres alone accounts for over 39% of the asteroid belt's total mass. Amazingly, the total mass of rocks and material in the asteroid belt is calculated to be just 4% of the total mass of Earth's moon. Number 7. Pioneer 10 was the first spacecraft to travel across the asteroid belt in July 1972. Scientists at NASA weren't even sure it would survive the journey. They thought it might smash into little asteroids. However, since those first Pioneer space probes crossed the main belt, there have been at least 10 more that have successfully ventured through, which is no surprise as recent calculations have determined the chances of hitting an asteroid are 1 billion to 1. Number 8. It is believed there are lots of valuable rare earth minerals and metals making up the asteroid belt, so there are several private companies that have set up hoping to mine them one day. These companies include Deep Space Industries, Planetary Sources, Lunasonde, Kepler Energy, and Space Engineering. Number 9. Did you know that these asteroids could actually crash on the Earth's surface? Gravitational forces can throw asteroids out of the belt and send them towards the inner solar system, crashing them into other planets. Number 10. Now, what do you think could be the size of these asteroids? The size of the objects within the asteroid belt varies a lot, ranging from being as small as a dust particle to almost 1,000 kilometers wide.